Hey guys, today I'm going to bring a brand new video, and for today's video, as you can see from the title, we are going to be fitting my 3D number plate onto my car. So without further ado, let's do this. So if you did notice, we got one 3D number plate on the back, right there, and then on the front of the car we've actually got a 2D number plate, which is going to be replaced by this one. So if you've been with the channel now for a while, you would have known that I got these number plates sent out by I don't know what their Instagram was, but it's here now. I forgot because it was like 4 months ago. The reason why this one's not on yet is because after like a month it kind of peeled off by using the Gorilla Tape. I've been wanting to get it screwed into the car so it won't just fly off out of nowhere for that whole time. And I was going to get it done by a garage for like £10, and it's like, mate, I literally mess up making eggs in the morning. You know, I can't screw a license plate in. So I thought I'd film it today. All it is literally screwing a hole in a piece of plastic and screwing that plastic in. At the moment, my car is running at 69 brake horsepower. Well, that's what it is stock. With the back 3D number plate, it's running at about 480 brake horsepower. With the front number plate, it's going to be running at bloody 860 horsepower, mate. So my plan is right. I'm going to clean up this number plate firstly. I'm going to screw the holes in and then put it on the car. Then I'm going to take off the back number plate, completely rip off all the Gorilla Tape because it's held up very nicely. But I just prefer it if there's screws in it. But yeah, I'm excited to finally try and get these on my car. The thing is, I'm not a DIY guy. I might look Asian. I might like know how to calculate fractions, but I don't know how to drill holes in a piece of plastic. But I think we have got all the tools to do it. All we need is a drill, some masking tape, which is right here. Bang. And the number plates, basically. So without further ado, let's start off by cleaning this number plate. It is absolutely manky with all the like sticky pads on it. After about 10-20 minutes of trying to get all the shit off of my number plate, it is finally done. And as you guys can see, it's done. And it's on a bucket of rice because, you know, yeah, boy's Asian. He's got to have his lifetime supply of rice. I've done a pretty good job. I've got off all the stuff. Next step is to get the number plate off of my car, unscrew the front number plate, and then use it as a template for the drill holes on this one, so we don't have to like drill a new hole into my car. So let's go get the screwdriver firstly to get the screws out. So I should have kept it right here. I think this might be the one, but I'm not sure. And I should have 2 screws down here. I don't have 2 screws down there. Alright, if I'm correct, it should be under here. Oh, jackpot. I don't know why people do that. Cinematics, I guess. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to mask up these 2 number plates together. I'm going to drill the hole in, and yeah.
A few moments later.
So it is all taped up now. That looks so weird. Drill marks are ready to go. I have a really old drill and a really old drill bit. So I'm not even sure if it's going to drill through, but hopefully it does. Don't see why it wouldn't. About 2 seconds later, and we built the most DIY kind of thing you could ever build. 2 bloody chairs, and there's the drill hole we're gonna drill. So yeah, without further ado, let's drill it. So then guys, we have drilled through the number plate. I'm not even sure if the screw's gonna fit in that. We're gonna have to double check because it might hit the V. We're gonna take off the masking tape, and then hopefully this is gonna go into my car. Easy. Let's open that. Oh, look at it. It's got no number plate. It looks so weird with no number plate. Just my car's just waiting for me. It looks so sexy. Oh my god. Honestly, right, I've never seen my car through my garage and it just looks hungry. It just looks so sexy, honestly. And without the number plate, it looks fire. Look. It's done. So as you guys can see, they are now screwed in properly. Jeez! Huh? That would look so nice. Jeez. That looks mean now. So the next part of the video I didn't explain very well. It's basically me fitting the back number plate onto the car, so taking it off, and then actually fitting it onto the car. So I didn't really walk you guys through the back number plate like I did the front number plate because it's literally the same thing. The back number plate was stuck on with Gorilla Tape, which was very hard to get off, and it left loads of marks. That's what it looks like without number plate. Ooh. You guys are not going to believe it. We're done! Mate! We've got these screws now in it. Bang and boom. All we need to do now is we need to put this on my car. And then, basically, we've got 3D number plates fully attached on, MOT ready, because I got my MOT in approximately 7 days. 7 days, number plates all fitted, sturdy, you know what I mean? They're not going to fall off if they test it. And yeah, after all of that was done, we fitted the plate, and it looks sick. Ooh, finally put them on. We got them here. Let's put these bitches on.
Oh my lord, oh my god, that girl, she trained to go. Any hour, any minute, man, she down the road. She so flawless, never worry about no other hoe. Man, I love that broad, I swear to God, she trained to go.
Okay then, so overall, the plates are now on the car. It's on the back and the front. It's raining right now, so I'm going to quickly run outside and show you guys. But they look fire and they're sturdy as well. Ooh, I'm gonna have to like show you guys quick, but hopefully I'll do a little bit of a montage. There's the front number plate with the 2 screws in. I think it looks absolute fire. Here is the back number plate with the 2 screws in. 1 screw, 2 screw, and it is looking fire as fuck. Let's hop in the car real quick, it's raining. Ooh. So unfortunately that is the end of this video. It was quite a simple, but like simple, boring kind of video. I don't know. Some people might enjoy it. If somebody has a 3D number plate and they've stuck it on with Gorilla Tape or something, or sticky pads like they come with, this might be a better option. And if it did help you, then tell me. And if you want 3D number plates, tell me. If you've got to the end of this video, then comment #I hate Article 13, right? Haven't been able to use any copyrighted music in this video, and I won't be able to in upcoming videos, maybe, which means Drive With Me are affected. Literally could do a whole video on this. If you don't know what it is, type in Article 13 and you'll see. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you lovely faces in my next video. Wow.